Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Eraser by Anna Kang, illustrated by Christopher Vaillant. Ahem, I just want to know, I was testing you. A+, excellent. Thanks. I guess I'm just naturally good at math. You totally rocked the math test. Pencil is so sharp. I wish I was as cool as Cobalt. Everyone thinks Pencil and her friends are the smart and creative ones. It's not fair. Look at tape and glue. They can get everyone to stick together. Even pipe cleaners and buttons. We all love paper. Whenever I see you, I feel like I can do anything. And scissors. Well, she's just kind of scary. I don't run ever. What do I bring to the table? Nothing. It just takes things away. I'm tired of being just the cleanup crew. Do you ever feel like you're more? More what? Lunchtime is over. Everyone gather around for a science project meeting. I hear it's worth half of our grade. Not you, Eraser. This is a creative meeting. That night, this is gonna knock their caps off. Ta-da! It's for the science project. What do you think? It's wonderful. Very modern. Ah! Choo! Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry, Eraser. I clogged her up. Sniff. Enough with the fun and games. We have real work to do. Later that day. Looking good, everyone. Let's take all 5. Let's all take 5. Eraser, what are you doing? Helping? Eraser has one job, to clean up after me. And it's not my fault. She can't actually make anything. Upset a mess. Ha 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 ha. I'm tired of being Pencil's pooper scooper. Please don't go. We need you. Are you sure, Eraser? Fire away. Forward my mail. Swoosh. Sprawling. Swoosh. Thwomp. Sorry, dude. Eraser. Look, guys, it's Eraser. I'm a huge fan. I love your work. You do? Well, sure. We're all fine drafts. Without us and you, there'd be nothing to hang on the fridge door. I create second chances. Mistakes make us great. Meanwhile, back on the desk. Oh no, I forgot to check my math homework. 3 plus 6 is definitely not 8, it's 9. Wait, is it? Oh, yeah, it's 9. And then 1 plus 12 is definitely not 15, it's 13. 2 plus 4, you can say it's 6, and it's not 3. 14 plus 9 is definitely not 29. Tisk, tisk, tisk. An F. This is not good. It's supposed to be 9, 13, 6, and 23. Yeah! Yeehaw! Hooray! We missed you. I brought friends with me. Eraser is back! Oh, thank goodness. We're going through an entire sheaf like there's no tomorrow. It's been totally bonkers. Eraser, I'm so sorry. I think I need your help. Will you please help me? You bet. Let's get to work. Take your time. You're doing great. We can always fix it. The next day, the rainforest. Hooray! Woohoo! A+. Kumbaya. Ooh, we had the straightest lines for sure. You know, you make a very fine point. Sure, I like correcting, but I really want to do is paint. Thanks, partner. Anytime. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!